Tired of manually creating each Pinterest ad? Upload a template and import your entire campaign in minutes. Here's how. I'll walk you through opening Bulk Editor, uploading your CSV, and handling any errors so you can launch campaigns fast. Start by logging into your Pinterest account and make sure you're on the business version, not a personal one, because that's where all the powerful tools live. Now, click the menu icon in the top left corner. It looks like 3 little horizontal lines. That's your Business Hub menu. Click on it to open up all your advertising options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Bulk Editor. Go ahead and click that. This is the command center for importing campaigns all at once. It's where you'll save hours of manual work. So now you're in Bulk Editor. Look for a button that says Upload Template. Click it. This is the button that lets you bring your pre-made CSV file into Pinterest. And here's the really important part. You need to have that CSV ready. It's a specific format with columns for campaign names, targeting, budgets, all that good stuff. Pinterest gives you a template to download if you need one. Once you click Upload Template, a file picker window opens up. Select your completed CSV file from your computer. I usually save mine right on my desktop for easy access. Click Open or choose whatever your computer shows. Pinterest will now validate the file. This might take a moment to process. It's checking that your data is formatted correctly, that your budget numbers look right, that your targeting fields are valid. In my experience, this usually takes anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds. Just let it do its thing. After validation, you'll see a results screen showing any errors or warnings. Now pay attention to this one. Errors are problems that will stop your import dead in its tracks. Warnings are just suggestions. For example, if you forgot to set a bid amount, that's an error. If Pinterest thinks your budget is a bit low, that's just a warning. You can fix errors by editing the CSV and re-uploading, or sometimes Pinterest lets you fix them right there in the interface. Next, review the imported campaign details. Pinterest will show you a preview of everything it's about to create. Campaign names, ad group settings, your creative assets. Make sure it all looks correct. Double-check your budget numbers and your targeting. I personally always scan the ad group names to make sure nothing got jumbled up. When you're satisfied, click the Submit button. This finalizes the upload. And then Pinterest processes your template behind the scenes. It imports your campaign data from the uploaded template, all your ad groups, your pins, your targeting, everything. And that's it. You went from wasting hours on manual ad setup to importing entire campaigns in minutes using a template. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, you'll wonder why you ever did it the slow way. Give it a try on your next campaign and see how much time you save.